Hey folks, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be making soup Joumou because it's that time of the year. It's soup time. It's soup time. It's soup time. It's soup time. Anyway, I'm here with my beautiful mama. Mama, say hi.
Hi.
Hey, see where I get all the naturalness from? Okay. And we are going to make soup Joumou together. This is going to be, is this the first time we ever made soup Joumou together, Mom? No, not the first time. I don't remember when it was the first time, but this is the first time we're making it together.
We do?
Yeah.
Not in New York?
No, never made it in New York. Go ahead and get everything together to make this soup. I'm going to show you exactly what we purchased. I was going to do a video at the store, but it was so chaotic. It was so many people. Negative. Couldn't even do it. So if you're interested in seeing what we're about to do, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment. I don't know what the heck is this in my eye, but it refuses to go anywhere. So don't make fun of me in the comments because I've been trying to take this out and it just doesn't want to go anyway. Anyway, if you like what you see, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you will get notified. Alright, let's get into this video. Now that I finally got the stuff out of my eye, let's go into what we purchased at the store. So first you need cabbage, celery, what is this, turnip? No, turnips, sorry. I'm so slow and I'm a chef. Turnips, carrots, I think I said already. We got parsley over here. We have potatoes, again, noodles, which took me forever to find because Lord only knows, and these are the kind of noodles I like. I don't really like the spaghetti noodles in my soup. We have flowers. What thing? Oh, we didn't get no scallions?
No, scallions just got that big...
The leeks. We didn't get leeks. That's okay. I'm not a fan of leeks. All-purpose flour for the dumplings. And now let's go into our meat selection. Is there anything else that goes into this usually? No? This is like the basics? Most of the times I like pata in my, which is sweet potato, but we didn't get it this time. Oh, and the pire de resistance. I don't even know how to say that. Of course, the Joumou part. Okay. This one is from Costa Rica, Honduras. So you got to get your squash. We got 2 of those. This is the meat selection that we have. We have cow feet and what kind of beef? Beef necks?
Yeah,
Beef necks. Bone-in beef necks, I think this is called. So these are already clean. My mom washed these with lemon, salt, and vinegar. No vinegar? And vinegar. No vinegar?
Yeah, vinegar.
And vinegar, okay.
Now we're going to show it.
And now we're going to show it, which means she's just boiling a bunch of hot water. She's boiling water until it gets hot, and then we're going to pour it over the meat and then drain it. And then after that, we're going to season it. Yes, Mom?
Yes.
Yes. All right, there we go. So stay tuned for that. So this is already shorted. How you pronounce it, Mom? Shorted. This is already shorted. And right now my mother's putting all the spices on here. Of course she has a piece on a deck for sure. And then there's a whole bunch of other spices. So we're gonna let this, she's gonna mix this. We're gonna let it sit and marinate for about an hour or so, probably longer, and then get the cooking. Oh man, I wish you guys had smell-o-vision because this smells awesome. Okay, well, traditional Haitians don't usually use gloves, but I don't know. I see my mom strapping on some gloves over here. She being real sedity with it. Oh, okay, we good. I see you. Angela would be like, what happened to our the real Haitian women, traditional Haitian women? Where are they? They dead now.
Like, excuse me. That's how my mother teach me. Taste it to see if I miss something.
Oh. Don't worry, she ain't gonna Ain't nothing gonna happen to her. It's just a little goûter, just a little taste, just to make sure she got all
the spice in it.
Yeah. All the correct spices. If anything's missing, she'll add.
Yeah.
And that's that.
Maggie, and that's it.
And that's it. That's it, folks. That's how you gotta do it. Yeah, that's right. Now we are going to place these cow foot, in the pressure cooker to cook. And then we're gonna cook them separate from the beef. They're all seasoned up after, like, I want to say about 4 or 5 hours of being seasoned. Usually it's best to do this overnight, but this is what we got last minute. Alright, so in a pot here, we're not trying to brown it or anything, just oil on a medium-high heat. We're taking the beef and putting it in there to cook.
Then afterwards, we add everything else.
And then afterwards, we add everything else. So my mother put the squash in here, skin on, to boil with the meat. And it's okay. Once it gets soft, she's just gonna take it right off. Skin on. Skin on. You mashing it with the skin on. Go sit down.
Go sit down.
Mom! Go sit down. 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 We're gonna watch something everybody wants. Okay, so my mom's officially burned me.
Well, I thought you're supposed to do this soup, not me.
What you mean? I'm helping you. I'm assisting. Who's gonna hold the camera? Marie. Marie, I just asked you a question after you burned me. Miguel! Ma parle avec vous, Miguel! Mom, what are we gonna do with it? Explain to the people what we're gonna do with it. Okay, Miguel is being shy right now, so she's adding water so that she can do what with it. Mimi, I'm talking to you. Oh, she had her earpods on. Why we just added water to this, Mimi?
Because you gotta get the juice out. You gotta make the how you call that?
The
Joumou. Yeah, we need the juice.
We need the juice. Okay, and see, these are all the vegetables that are cleaned and washed. We got celery, of course. We got the cabbage, carrots on the bottom. I will touch it, but I don't want to touch it. Because my hands are still dirty. So. And we have cilantro in there as well, and parsley, I think, right? All right, as you can see, the cow foot is
Well cooked.
well cooked. The beef is well cooked. Now we're about to put all this on the stove and put everything together. So you got the beef. We have
Not there.
the beef and the cow
My
feet.
hand is clean.
Her hand is clean. It doesn't matter if it's dirty. I'll still eat it. She's going to put all the hard veggies first, which are the potatoes and the carrots, and then put the cabbage on top. Right?
What I should have done is I should have put the water first.
Yeah, and then put the stuff. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna boil this down, let it reduce because the cabbage is definitely gonna reduce down, and then come back and show you what it looks like. We're gonna put the rest in there when it reduces down. The rest of the squash when it reduces down. Alright. Okay, so while that stuff is boiling, I'm gonna make a little bit of dumplings. So this is just all-purpose flour, some garlic powder. I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon pepper seasoning because my mother doesn't have no regular pepper, and a little bit of adobo, right? And just a little bit of that paprikas because I like a little bit of heat. You know what I'm saying? Just a little kick, just a little something. Mix that all together. Ooh, wow, that's gonna be a lot of dumplings. Okay, I'm probably not gonna use all these dumplings, and even if I do, I'm not gonna put all of them in there. I'll probably just leave them off to the side or something and cook them off in the juices by itself, because this actually thickens up. When you put the flour in there, it actually thickens up the soup, so you don't want your soup to be that thick. Alright, so let's hit it with some H2O, which is water. Preferably whatever kind of water you got, bottle, tap, whatever. I'm gonna mix that together with a spoon first, and then I'm gonna go in with my hands, which are clean. I'm a chef, so I know how to wash my hands. Okay, so I'm definitely need some more water. Cooking is about what you like, how you like it, how you want it. Don't let nobody tell you different. If you like a lot of salt in your food, then you add more salt. If you like a lot of pepper in your food, then you add more pepper. Some people don't like neither one. Some people don't like my mom, she does not cook with salt at all. She does not like it. And her food still tastes bomb. You know what I mean? You just gotta know what to add and what not to add. Pretty much. Some people like to cook with more natural stuff, you know, more herbs, more spices. You know, it's all up to you, what you like. Take a chance on it. You never know what's going to happen. You don't get in the kitchen and burn. One day you ain't going to be able to afford that fast food. One day you ain't gonna be able to afford that fast food. I'm trying to tell you, not on an everyday basis. Stuff is starting to get expensive. Today's prices ain't tomorrow's, baby. Alright, so this is pretty much the consistency of your dumplings that you're looking for, right? Want to kind of look like pizza dough a little bit. Just like that. I'm going to go wash my hands. My hands are clean. I'm just going to grab a little flour in my hand, like so. Pull off some pieces. Roll it in between. Now, it depends on your liking. My boyfriend, baby daddy, whatever you want to call him, he likes his smile like that. I'm Haitian, we don't play that. We do things big. Tout bagay gros. We pas fait bagay petit. You know what I'm saying? We don't do that small little tang like that. This is how I like my dumplings. This is what I put. It's really up to you how you like your dumplings. Some people like them small. Some people like them round. Some people like them flat. I don't know. I've seen so many different dumplings. But It all comes out the same flavor, same whatever. And that's pretty much it. And then once the soup is cooked and done, and I just drop these in there individually, and that's it. Call it a day. Alright, folks. We're going to get back to the soup making in a minute. Aight? Alright, putting some greens in there now. And that's pretty much it, folks. Now I'm about to boil some noodles. You can throw noodles in there if you want. If you don't have to. It's what you want to put in there, pretty much. But this is the soup Joumou. And right on time, too, because we only have an hour left. Yeah! Alright.